Are you tired of paying outrageous roaming fees? You're not alone. Join over 700,000 savvy travelers who've made the switch to GoMoWorld. How does it work? It's incredibly simple and affordable. Purchase your data plan and activate it whenever you're ready to travel. Traveling to popular destinations? We've got you covered. Enjoy 1 GB of data with a risk-free trial on select destinations, only in our app. Why choose GoMoWorld? Experience unparalleled convenience, easy activation, and cost-effective travel solutions. Stay connected without breaking the bank. Still on the fence? Download the GoMoWorld app today and start your risk-free trial. Experience the freedom to roam without worries. Join the wave of happy travelers enjoying seamless connectivity. Available now on the App Store and Google Play Store. Take control of your travel experience with GoMoWorld. Download the app and start your journey today. Check the link in description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss an update.